Why do hackers use Linux? It's a question that pops up in every tech forum, every cybersecurity classroom, and every late-night conversation between aspiring ethical hackers. The answer isn't just about aesthetics or tradition, it's about what Linux empowers you to do, and how it shapes the very mindset of those who use it. When most people hear the word hacker, they picture a dim room, glowing monitors, streams of green code, an aura of mystery and mastery. But behind that cinematic image is a real practical reason for the Linux obsession. It's not just about looking cool, it's about having the right tools for the job. And behind that code, 9 times out of 10, it's running on Linux. Let's crack open the terminal and find out why. The terminal isn't just a window, it's a gateway to total system control, and that's where the magic begins. First up, full system control. Linux isn't just an operating system, it's a playground for power users. I can tweak almost anything. From the desktop environment to the tiniest system process, everything is customizable. Want to automate a task, change how your system boots, or even build your own distribution? With Linux, you're only limited by your curiosity and skill. Change the kernel, modify permissions, unlock advanced networking features. You can recompile the kernel to add or remove features, set up custom firewalls, or fine-tune your system for performance or stealth. This level of control is unheard of in most mainstream operating systems. No corporate walls or hidden menus, just raw control. For a hacker, that's the ultimate edge. You're not fighting against the system, you're working with it, molding it to your needs. Next, open source power. Linux wears its heart on its sleeve. Every line of code is open for inspection. This means you can audit the code for vulnerabilities, learn from it, or even contribute improvements. Want to see how something works? Dig in. Want to change how it works? Fork it, patch it, roll your own flavor. The open source community is a global network of creators and problem solvers, constantly pushing the boundaries of what's possible. For hackers, this means endless opportunities to learn, collaborate, and innovate. There are no secrets between you and your system. That transparency lets hackers trust their tools and build entirely new ones. If you spot a bug or a security flaw, you can fix it yourself or share it with the world. Now, let's talk about security tools. The world's best penetration testing frameworks, like Kali Linux or Parrot OS, are built on the Linux backbone. Why? Because Linux is the perfect environment for developing, testing, and deploying security tools. Because Linux is the birthplace of terminal-based utilities, network scanners, packet sniffers, and exploit frameworks. These tools are often open source themselves, allowing hackers to modify and adapt them for specific tasks. Whether you're scanning a network, sniffing packets, or launching an exploit, Linux gives you the flexibility and power you need. These tools run smoother, faster, stronger on Linux. If you're hunting vulnerabilities or defending networks, Linux isn't just an option, it's the standard. That's why cybersecurity professionals, ethical hackers, and even malicious actors all gravitate toward Linux for serious work. And finally, stability. Linux is lightweight, efficient, and rock solid. I can run it on a $20 laptop or a massive cloud server. Same speed, same reliability. It's famous for uptime, servers running for years without a reboot. That kind of reliability is priceless when you're running critical operations or conducting long-term research. No forced updates, no bloatware. Just a system that stays up and running, ready for whatever I throw at it. You're in control of when and how your system changes, which is essential for both security and peace of mind. That's why so much of the internet runs on Linux, and why hackers trust it for research and development. From web servers to supercomputers, Linux is the backbone of the digital world. So, here's the real answer. Hackers don't choose Linux because it looks cool. They choose it because Linux gives them power, control, and transparency. It's a system built for those who want to understand, explore, and push boundaries. Not just use a computer, but truly master it. In the world of cybersecurity, that's more important than any flashy interface. It's about trust, flexibility, and the freedom to innovate. If you want to dive deeper into AI, Linux, and the secrets of cybersecurity, hit subscribe and follow Digital Jack of all trades. Stay curious, stay secure, and remember, the best tool is the one you truly understand.